You copy? Everyone's coming in.
7-6, I copy. I'm terminating at the curve, coming up to TC, pulling over now.
Pretty good. 10-4.
I think I got that sports mic here. Offer him to D. David. 151. 28. 7-7. I think I got that sports mic here. Offer him to D. David. 151. 28. 557 X-ray Henry 557 XH. Looks like he 1050, but it's okay.
Hello.
How's it going?
What happened?
Coming from 151 Deering.
What happened? You fall?
Yeah.
Oh,
Took a little digger.
where were you? Down in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. Get in the keys, bud. Thank you. Do you need an ambulance?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Do you have an ID on you? Where were you coming from?
My house.
Your house? Okay. Alrighty. Where do you got to get to? Is your bike drivable or
Yeah, it's good.
it's good yet? Okay. Alrighty. Did you guys see it happen or?
I did not. I
No.
just witnessed him sitting on the side of the bank here for a
Seen him
minute.
sitting up there
He was
saying
struggling trying to get it out
Oh,
there.
up,
So,
up there?
yeah, so I
Yeah.
came
Grass
round and
is
getting
not
him. I was over here on the off ramp there, or on ramp.
7-7. Who's that 28 come back to? Is it your bike? Sounds good. Copy. Can you log him? So you guys didn't witness it happen at all?
No, I didn't witness it at all.
Okay. Hey, Mr. Lehman.
I wouldn't say anything.
How can you pull over for me? What are you talking about? You want me to show you the picture? You want to think about it, or you want to tell me the truth? You gotta remember, we have cameras in our squad cars now.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay? Do you need an ambulance or anything? No.
Not okay, sir, and no, I do not need an ambulance.
I didn't hear the first part of this.
I'm not okay, sir, but no, I do not need an ambulance.
Okay. Do you still live in County M? Is that where you're coming from? Where are you heading to?
Just out on the ride, sir. I just picked up this motorcycle a few days ago.
Okay. You realize how fast you were going on TC?
No, sir.
Okay. How fast do you think you were going?
I have no idea, or I would have answered.
Okay.
I'm being honest with you, sir.
Okay. Around mid-80s sound accurate?
I do not know.
Okay, did it feel like you were going faster than 55?
You know that whatever I say to you is admissible.
With the traffic, it's hard for me to hear.
Right, so I have no idea what my speed was. Did not see you. I'm sorry.
Well, I can tell you this, after you went by me at 84, that's what I locked you in on the radar. Okay, and I turned around, and I activated my emergency lights and sirens. I hit almost 120 miles an hour, and you were passing vehicles ahead of me. I'm glad that this is all that just happened to you. Okay. I was hoping that you weren't going to come into that curve prior to TC and wipe it out there at the speed you were going.
Sure 50, go ahead.
Do you have a motorcycle license?
I have a temporary.
Again, with
I
that
have a
truck.
temporary permit.
Okay, so do you have a temporary permit on you?
Okay, 10 bucks.
Thank you. Do you have insurance on the bike?
What?
I just got this week, so no, I have not updated it.
Okay. Is the bike registered to you?
Yes.
Okay. So you're saying you didn't see me turn around and turn my lights on? So. What if,
No,
I,
145.
what if I said after I turned around I saw you do this?
There was vehicles around me, sir. I don't know what I was.
I'm just looking for you to be honest.
I know. I'm just
Okay.
trying to tell you.
Okay. You obviously were trying to outrun me, which you did. The speed we were going got kind of concerning. What happened coming in here? Is this where you wiped out right here?
He already said he took the D exit and came down
Oh.
on the embankment there.
Okay. Is that where you were laying right up there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you were able to push the bike over here?
I started to push the bank down the embankment,
Okay.
and some people came to assist.
Okay. Well, good thing you had the helmet on. Why didn't you just pull over when you saw me? You know what would have happened? I would have given you a ticket, and you would have been on your way. Is there something else going on?
Sir, does it honestly matter?
Well, it
I mean-
does. Yep, it does. I'm just trying to figure out why you didn't just pull over and take your speeding ticket and you'd be on your way. Is there something else going on?
This doesn't matter to you guys. My wife left me.
It does matter, sir.
My wife left me for another guy. I don't know. She always had a problem with.
Okay.
Yeah,
that makes sense.
I'm acting out, and I'm being very irresponsible. And as a grown adult, I should know way better than what I just did tonight.
Well, I'm sorry to hear
And
that your
I'm
wife
very
left you.
embarrassed, and so it's hard to even say that. So I'm sorry, sir.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that your wife left you for another man. I really am.
And I know that has no bearing on my behavior. I should be above that.
We are empathetic people. Okay. You're going through a tough time in your life. She had Something against you buying a motorcycle.
Well, obviously there's a lot more than that, but
Yeah.
yes.
But that's what you're telling me, and I'm letting you know
So
that I'm listening.
if you want to know, yes, yeah, I'm going through
A tough time, I get it. Okay.
but I also am old enough to know that it doesn't excuse my behavior.
Again, with the car coming by, I couldn't hear that.
I'm also old enough to know that it doesn't excuse my behavior, so.
Okay. And what behavior is that?
Well, behaving erratically on a motorcycle. As much as I can say.
Let's get back to the part about me actually seeing you look behind you.
Stand by.
You obviously saw my lights.
7715,
Probably didn't hear my siren,
2017.
right?
Sure, I'm sorry. 725.
Sir, I was not sure that there was.
Did you see me pull off to the side of the road when he went by me to turn around? You're tucked down behind your windshield. I saw that.
You're right, and you're right. I saw a vehicle pull to the side. I did not look long enough to observe what was going on, but
Okay.
I used my fear response. Yes.
Okay. And then we look behind after I turn around and turn my lights and siren on.
I do not recall seeing lights or a siren or hearing sirens, or I'm.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Is there a reason why you accelerated to the speeds that you did, well above 100? And passing cars, and I was going by dust clouds because people are pulling off to the side. Did you want to get away from me?
Sir, I cannot say that I was sure that you were turning around to follow me.
Okay.
What do you want me to say?
The honest truth.
But everything here is admissible. We're not talking man to man. You know what I'm saying. So
Yes, I do have a duty.
I know you do.
Okay. I took an oath. Okay. And this is being recorded.
I understand.
I'm giving you the opportunity to be honest, so if it does go to court later on, people can see that you're being honest with
Right,
me.
and every time I've ever been honest with law enforcement, it's always worked out to my detriment. But I will say that all I can say is when I turned to look behind me, I saw brake lights, and all I knew is that I needed to create distance. But I cannot say, I cannot say that I saw sirens, flashing lights or heard a siren at any point.
So you assumed it was a law enforcement.
If I would have to say anything, yes, I assumed that that's what was going on.
Okay, that you're going to be pulled over and you're going to get a ticket, and you didn't want that with everything going on.
Those are your words, yes, sir.
My words? Okay.
But
Well, like I said, you got a lot
But
going on.
I just got this a week ago.
Did you try starting it? I don't want you to try now, but I'm wondering if you tried it. No.
It was not starting, no sir.
All right, any drug use today?
No sir.
Okay, any alcohol use today?
I cannot say that I have not had anything to drink. No.
Okay. If you would be drinking something, what would it be?
I would have perhaps had vodka at my house, yes.
Vodka? Okay. Like straight vodka, or did you mix it with
In a
something?
mixer, sir, but
Okay. Mix it with soda?
yes.
Okay. What kind of soda?
Club soda.
Club soda. Did you have like a little glass, a
A couple glasses, sir.
couple glasses? Do you feel buzzed or intoxicated?
The only thing I feel right now is the adrenaline from.
And that's why we're standing here.
Right. I'm just glad I didn't hit a sign.
I'm glad that you're okay. You didn't hurt somebody.
Right. I'm sorry.
Well, what time do you think it is right now?
8:30-ish.
And it's about 8:55. When was the last time you had a vodka and club soda?
It would have been prior, like 6:30, 7 o'clock. I went out to eat with some friends.
Okay. Where'd you eat at?
The Britton House in Waupun.
Okay. They good there?
What's that?
Is it the food good
It's
there?
not. No, there's nothing to eat in the pond, sir.
Okay. So you rode your motorcycle there, or did you go home and get it?
I went home and got it.
Okay. At any time, did you feel buzzed or intoxicated?
I felt fine.
No. Okay.
No, or I would not have put myself.
You just wanted to go and blow off some steam?
I mean, you're putting words in my mouth, but yes, okay. Yes.
Okay. I'm just trying to paint a picture.
I know.
Would you be able to perform some standardized field sobriety
Yes,
tests
sir.
for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Other than what just happened, do you have any physical like impairments or disabilities?
No, sir.
No. Any problem with your legs? Do you have any pain right now?
I have a little pain in my side, probably from sliding up there. But other than that,
Okay. All right. Let me come up here in the concrete right there.
I will say though, I do feel like some cramping in my legs from trying to lift my bike up.
Did you want an ambulance?
No,
right now?
sir.
Okay.
I do not want an ambulance.
Okay. Alright, the first test is going to be an eye test. You can turn towards me. 7 Sicker roadside. So what I want you to do is put your heels and toes together. Okay. And just keep your arms down at your sides. Okay, and then stay in that position. Do you understand?
No.
Are you able to, when I hold it up, focus on the tip of my finger?
Yep.
Okay. Lower your chin a little bit. Okay, now so keep your head just like that. What I want you to do is when I hold my finger up, I need you to focus on the tip of my finger, and when I move it, follow it with your eyes and your eyes only.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead and relax. You wear glasses at all? No. All right, the next test is a walk and turn test. Are you able to imagine a straight line right next to the shoulder here, staying on the blacktop?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to explain the test to you.
Okay.
Okay.
For what it's worth, this is banked. Whatever.
No, if you feel that it's banked, we can move closer
No,
to
no,
the...
no. I wanted to say, like, as I'm standing here.
Yep, well, because your foot's on the shoulder right there.
And
So if you stand right here, it's a little flatter. Or we can even use this white line.
It's fine. We're fine.
Okay. I want to give you the benefit of the doubt.
I
Okay.
understand.
I want to make sure that you feel comfortable.
Yep.
Okay. Would you agree that the ground is level, flat, and free to breathe?
Yep.
Yes? Okay. What I need you to do is imagine a straight line right here. Take your left foot and place it on that imaginary line. And then take your right foot and go heel to toe with your left foot like this. Can you do that for me now?
Yep.
Okay. Keep your arms down at your sides. Stay in that position until I tell you to move. When I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps on that imaginary line. While doing that, keep your arms down at your sides. Count each step out loud. I'll demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Simulating. My lead foot was my 9th step. Keep that foot on the imaginary line. Take a series of steps with your other foot. Turn it all the way around. And then you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps back the way you came from.
Yep.
Don't stop until you feel you completed the test. Do you understand the instructions as I have explained them to you?
Yes, sir.
May begin when you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want 9 back?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, good stuff. Or you can relax. Alright, I'm going to step right back up there for me again. Would you agree that the level, or the ground is level, flat, free to breathe?
Yes, sir.
Having pain in your leg?
Yes, but it's
Okay. Did you want to take a minute to let it relax?
It's my hamstring. It's gonna hurt for a while. So,
Okay. Did it hurt from the crash?
well, probably from trying to lift the bike up off the
Okay.
ground. Yeah.
Alright, so the next test is going to be a one-leg stand test. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. So what I need you to do is stand with your heels and toes together, arms down at your sides. Okay? Stay in that position until I tell you to move. You understand? Okay. Alright, when I tell you to, you're going to raise either foot of your choice. I know with the traffic, I have trouble here too. So when I tell you to, you're going to raise either foot of your choice. When you do that, you want to make sure the heel of that foot is approximately 6 inches off the ground. Okay, point that toe forward. Keep your arms down at your sides. Look at your foot and start counting. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on. You're going to continue to count until I tell you to stop. Do you understand those instructions that I explained them to you? You may begin when you're ready.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020.
You can put your foot down. Do you know the English alphabet?
Yes, sir.
A through Z?
Forward, yes.
Okay. I'm not going to ask you to do it backwards. Without like singing it, can you just recite A through Z for me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
is a portable breath test. Okay. It's all zeros right now. Will you submit to a sample?
If you could explain to me my options at this point, that would be great.
Okay. Right now, it's just going to confirm what I see or what I saw during the tests. Okay.
That's not what I'm asking. So if I submit to this versus if I don't, that's what I'm asking. Like, obviously, if I say no, then it's an automatic. Sorry, I don't know. This is a tough time for me right now.
I understand that. And that's why I took the time to listen to you before
and
about
that's
what's
fine.
going on in your life.
Whatever. Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Because if I refuse, it's an automatic fail.
Oh,
You're not a lawyer,
It's
so you
voluntary.
can't.
No, I just help interpret the law. Again, it's all zeros. So it's like blowing up a balloon. You don't want to allow the air to escape. And you're just going to start blowing until I tell you to stop, okay? Harder, 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 harder. Good. What does that say? I want.
Sort of,
All right, so right now you're going to be placed under arrest for operating while intoxicated.
That's why with a blue Jeep. Attention, I got this. I'll be at 10 place. Charles 7550 Zebra Edward. Charles 7550 Zebra Edward.
Is there anything on your person
no, sir.
that's illegal that's going to poke or stick me? No. We'll walk to the front of that patrol car right there. Do you have insurance on the bike?
I just got a bike this week, so I had not completed my insurance. It was yesterday when I titled it. I believe I had a couple business days.
With the plates or
No.
they come back?
I stopped at the DMV yesterday.
Is that a 98?
It's a 98.
They had plates right there.
Do you have a hard license in here or just a paper one? Oh, you have it already? Okay. We're gonna walk around to the second car here, okay? Did you call 95?
I did not.
Okay. Sheriff 7695.
April,